Good day mga ka-kitchen! Welcome back to Kitchen Time with Ana. Tara, gawa tayo nitong creamy vegetable soup. Perfect for this rainy season. Let's start! So these are the vegetables that we will need. We need some carrots, green beans or bagu beans, broccoli, and some celery. Kailangan din natin ng onion and garlic, at corn kernels. Pwede kayong gumamit ng fresh. Gamit din ako ng canned mushroom. If you have fresh shiitake or button mushroom, pwede din yun. Some cream and evaporated milk. At iba pang mga pampalasa later. So let's start cooking. In a pot, maglagay tayo ng around 1 tablespoon of olive oil, as well as 2 tablespoons of butter. So, once na ito'y mag-melt na, we can add first the onion. Saute lang natin ito for about a minute hanggang sa maging translucent na. At i-add na natin ang carrots. Una natin ilalagay yung carrots kasi among all the veggies, siya yung medyo mas matagal maluto. After 1 minute, i-add naman natin yung celery. Paglipas lang din ng 1 minuto, i-add na natin ang garlic. And now, magkakasabay na natin i-add ang ating corn, ang mushroom, and the remaining veggies which are the green beans and broccoli. Saute lang natin to hanggang sa maging well combined. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So naglalagay tayo ng flour para mag-thicken yung ating soup. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Then let's just mix this all together. Now lalagyan na natin to ng tubig. I'm only adding 1/4 cup because I want my soup to be very thick. Pero kung gusto nyo na very thin ang inyong soup, you can make it up to 1/2 or 3/4 cup. And now we can add our cream. And then finally, the evaporated milk. Ngayon, hahaluin na lang natin to hanggang sa maging well combined at hihintayin na lang natin na kumulo. So once na kumulo na ito, pwede na nating lagyan ng mga pampalasa which are salt and pepper. At this point, pwede niyong tikman and make some necessary adjustments. At kapag okay na ang lahat, pwede niyo nang patayin ang apoy and viola, meron ka na nitong masarap na creamy vegetable soup. Masarap itong kainin habang mainit-init pa, and it will make you feel warm and comforted. Kaya I hope matry nyo rin ang recipe na to mga ka-kitchen. So if you like this video recipe, I hope you can give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Hit nyo na rin yung bell button para lagi ka updated sa mga iba ko pang uploads. See you next time mga ka-kitchen. Thank you so much!